So we're about to drop in Invasion. I've been here like a couple of times, so we're gonna do guess the line called Hula Hula Lines. Okay, Invasion. This is the Hula Hula Lines. We'll see what happened. Oh, this was deep. All right. That's it. Oh, I think it's right here. Oh, it's powdery out here. Oh shit. Hula Hula Lines. Where's it at now? Right here. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Oh damn. Oh hell yeah. Hula Hula Lines. Oh shit. Alright. There you go. Oh shit, that's deep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. God damn. Oh yeah. Hula Hula Lines. Huh. Made it to that. Hula Hula Lines. Oh yeah. So that's Invasion.